Welcome to the English podcast for everyone.
If you want to learn English the fun way, without boring rules, then subscribe to our channel, English Podcast for Everyone.
Today we are going to help you feel confident when you go to a restaurant.
Yes, ordering food can be a little scary, especially in a new language.
But do not worry. We will show you everything you need to know.
Let us start with something simple. You walk into a restaurant, what do you say?
You can say, "Hello, table for two, please."
Or, "Good evening, I would like a table for one."
Then the waiter or waitress may say, "Right this way," or "Please follow me."
Once you sit down, they might give you the menu and ask, "Would you like something to drink?"
Now you can say, "Yes, I will have a glass of water, please."
Or, "Can I see the drink menu?"
Let us imagine a short conversation.
"Sure, I will be the waiter."
And I will be the customer.
"Good evening, welcome to Sunny Cafe. Table for two?"
"Yes, please."
"Right this way. Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?"
"Yes, I would like a glass of orange juice."
"Certainly. I will be right back with your drinks."
See? Very easy and friendly.
"Yes. Now let us talk about how to order food."
When you are ready, you can say, "I am ready to order."
Then use "I would like" or "I will have"
For example, "I would like the grilled chicken."
or "I will have the pasta with tomato sauce"
You can also ask questions like, "What do you recommend?"
or "What is the special today?"
Here is another short example.
Are you ready to order?
"Yes, I would like the fish with rice, please."
Good choice. Would you like any sides or salad?
"Yes, I will have a small salad with no onions."
No problem. Anything else?
That is all for now, thank you.
You are welcome.
That was polite and clear.
Yes. Always use please and thank you in a restaurant.
Now let us talk about dietary needs.
Some people do not eat meat or have allergies.
You can say, "Is this dish vegetarian?"
Or, "Does this contain nuts?"
You can also say, "I am allergic to dairy."
And do not forget to ask, "Can I have this without cheese?"
These questions are important for health and comfort.
Now, let us talk about drinks and desserts.
Yes. After the meal, the waiter may ask, "Would you like dessert?"
You can say, "Yes, I would like chocolate cake."
Or, "No, thank you, just the bill, please."
Speaking of the bill, let us explain how to ask for it.
Say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Or, "Could you bring the check?"
Then the server will return with your total.
You can pay by cash or card.
In some countries, tipping is normal.
Yes, you can say, "Keep the change, upon us," or leave some money on the table.
Let us do a final full conversation.
Great idea. Let us begin.
"Good afternoon. Table for one, please."
Of course, right this way. Here's your menu. Would you like something to drink?
"Yes. A lemonade, please."
Coming right up. Are you ready to order?
"Yes. I would like the beef burger with fries."
Would you like ketchup or mayonnaise?
"Ketchup, please. And no pickles on the burger."
No problem. Would you like dessert later?
"Maybe. I will see how I feel after eating."
Here is your lemonade. Enjoy your meal.
"Thank you very much."
Later. Would you like anything else?
"No, thank you. Just the bill, please."
Here you go. You can pay at the table.
"Here is my card. And keep the change."
Thank you. Have a great day.
"You too. Goodbye."
That was a complete restaurant experience.
Yes. From entering to paying, you now know how to speak English in a restaurant.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to our channel, English Podcast for Everyone.
This is the best way to learn English in real life.
Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next